Cowfish, also known as Lactoria cornuta, is a species of boxfish found in tropical and subtropical waters around the world. They are named cowfish due to their boxy shape and their horn-like appendages resembling cow horns. They have a unique defense mechanism. They can release a toxin called ostracytoxin from their skin when threatened, which can be lethal to other fish. Cowfish have horns, which are actually modified dorsal spines, to provide protection against predators by making themselves appear larger and more intimidating. These horns can be raised or lowered depending on their mood or level of threat. They are relatively small fish, typically growing up to around 20 centimeters, 8 inches, in length. Cowfish have a prominent dorsal fin, which can be raised or lowered depending on their mood or level of threat. They possess a fused beak-like mouth, which they use to feed on small invertebrates, such as worms and crustaceans. Cowfish have large, bulging eyes positioned on either side of their head, providing them with excellent all-around vision. These fish have a unique coloration pattern, typically featuring yellow, brown, and white patches or spots on their body. Cowfish have a small, terminal tail fin, which they use for propulsion and steering. They are generally slow swimmers, relying on their poison defense mechanism rather than speed to protect themselves. Cowfish are solitary creatures and tend to be territorial, particularly the males, which can become aggressive toward one another. They are known to produce distinct grunting or moaning sounds, which they use for communication. Cowfish have a specialized swim bladder that allows them to regulate their buoyancy and maintain a specific depth in the water column. These fish are oviparous, meaning they reproduce by laying eggs. Cowfish eggs are small and buoyant, floating in the water until they hatch into larvae. The larvae of cowfish are pelagic, meaning they drift in the open ocean currents for a period before settling to the seafloor. Cowfish can change their coloration to some extent, often using their spots and patterns to blend with their surroundings. They are capable of inflating their bodies by swallowing water, which helps to deter predators and make them appear larger. Cowfish have a relatively long lifespan compared to other fish, with some individuals living up to 20 years in captivity. In the wild, cowfish are susceptible to predation by larger fish, sharks, and marine mammals. They are primarily found in shallow coastal waters, coral reefs, and seagrass beds. Cowfish are not commonly kept in aquariums due to their specialized dietary and environmental needs. These fish have a unique symbiotic relationship with cleaner fish, which help remove parasites and dead skin from their bodies. Cowfish are highly sensitive to changes in water quality and can be negatively affected by pollution and habitat destruction. They are not considered a commercially targeted species for fishing, but they can be captured incidentally in nets or traps. Cowfish are popular among scuba divers and snorkelers due to their unique appearance and behavior. In some cultures, cowfish are considered a symbol of good luck or protection. Cowfish are closely related to other boxfish species, such as trunkfish and pufferfish. There are several species of cowfish, including the longhorn cowfish, Lactoria cornuta, and the spotted cowfish, Lactoria fornacini. The International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, does not currently list cowfish as a threatened species, but local populations can be impacted by habitat degradation and overfishing. Check out these cool videos for more amazing facts.